Blame isn't just a social behavior. It's a survival mechanism developed by the human brain over 200,000 years. According to a study published in a prestigious scientific journal, it was found that blaming others activates the nucleus accumbens in the brain, which releases dopamine, creating a temporary sense of psychological relief. The brain prefers directing blame onto others because it consumes 30% less energy than analyzing one's own mistakes. Based on a recent study, according to an established scientific theory, we perceive our mistakes as unavoidable circumstances, while viewing others' mistakes as permanent personality traits. Repeated blame shrinks the size of the anterior cingulate cortex, responsible for empathy and ethical decision-making. Based on a European study, when you blame someone, pause for 5 seconds and ask, what physical evidence proves they're 100% at fault? You can transform blame into an equation: mistake equals internal factors times 40% plus external factors times 60%. Use tracking apps that alert you when you blame others more than 3 times a day. Blame is the price you pay for avoiding cognitive ambiguity. The choice is yours: remain a prisoner of ancient biology, or use science to evolve into a higher human. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be the first to discover the brain's secrets in our upcoming videos.